Okay, welcome back. Thank you for staying with KTN Prime. Let's now look at a story of a different kind. Think about all the pollutants on the planet, a nagging one being plastic products which take ages to decompose and destroy both flora and fauna through its decay journey. Kenya's hair industry also struggles to dispose of synthetic products while they record soaring prices of imported wigs, weaves and hair extensions, yet not so much options are available for women to keep braiding and keep the environment healthy. Take a look at this story.
Imagine a sisal strand on your hair. Well, that does not sound like a lovely braid until you encounter Assumpta Hasavuli's invention. Assumpta wishes to brush off the perception that sisal is only fit for buffer zones, and that the white natural fiber can also pull a lustrous look on human heads. On this rugged thrashing bench, she pulls an arm-draining strand that would breed beauty on braids. She carefully untangles the green thorn-tipped leaves into wigs, weaves, hair extensions, and money.
Imekuwa ngumu kupata hela ya kununua hii marangi na material. Ilikuwa naomba rafiki zangu, saa zingine wananisaidia, wengine wanasema hii ni vitu za ujinga, nini wanafanya ni give up, but nilijaribu kuweka kwa Mungu na nikafaidika, imenisaidia sana.
Aware of the high taxes pegged on imported synthetic hair and the pollution they bring along, Assumpta believes she has a sustainable solution.
Tusiwe tukitoa country zingine kwa sababu makonge inaoza, it is biodegradable, then it is durable, it is available. That's why I come up with it. Hii nywele yangu itasaidia kusave pesa kwa sababu zenye wananunua nje wanalipia ushuru huko, tena wakishaleta hapa tena sisi wenyewe wa Kenya tunaongeza ushuru wetu hapo, na hapo bei inakuwa juu. Lakini sasa venye tuko na makonge kila mahali, watu wamepanda kama maua, saa hii tutatumia kama ikue nywele zetu, na hapo bei itakuwa rahisi sana.
So she threshes on. A simple procedure transforms the sisal into braids.
Nakata inakuwa ndogo, then naanza ku crush. After crushing, I dip into water to wash it so that the green color to be washed out. After washing, I take it to the shed. I dry them to the shed because I do not have the dryer. After drying, I took it and dip into my prepared dye.
After the toil comes the shine.
Naunda hata weaves. Hata ukinyoangalia venye nimeunda kwa kichwa, yenyewe ni weaves.
There is a huge market for hair extensions, but Assumpta knows she will have to work harder to sell her sisal brand. Fortunately, she's got a buy-in from youthful clients.
I'm very proud of her because amefikiria kitu ingine unique yenye sidhani kama kuna mtu mwingine alikuwa amefikiria before.
Hii ndio inaitwa creativity, unaona? Lakini bado haijafika kule, hajafika kwa sababu unaona hii ni rasta. Unaona hii side vile nimeishuka. Unaona vile imefika. Na kuna customers wetu wenye wanapenda sana nywele zao. Unaona? So akishukwa line alafu ing'oe nywele. Shida iko hapo.
I prefer her to do it straight, smoothly and soft.
I work on vile atailainisha. Iko straight na I work on ends vile itakuwa poa na vile itakuwa light. Unaona? Kitu inaweza toka neat as this one.
I'll say that position yourself for a long time.
Assumpta is one of the graduates of the Think Positive Alternatives Exist program. The initiative is run by Jesuit Hakimani, a faith-based organization that hunts for and incubates youth's ideas towards self-employment.
So the whole idea is how can we help our young people to kind of get an income to kind of support themselves, to think outside the box, to begin to say that I can be a job creator, so that we don't have so many young people slowly developing an attitude of fatalism.
Through months of training, beneficiaries are also exposed to available government fund avenues. On this day, Assumpta boldly took to the podium to showcase her prototype to a hall filled with prospective customers.
I have come up with Sisal braids and weaves from Sisal fiber because it is very new and it has never been explored anywhere in this country.
The judges were convinced with her creation and stamped their verdict with a beautiful trophy that placed her on top of all the contestants.
The grand winner is none other than Assumpta. Congratulations.
Assumpta's win will not only oil her pocket, but also cushion the environment from the choking strands of synthetic hair.
I'm very proud. I am encouraging my fellow youth to also think creativity. Kulingana na hiyo ingine ya kawaida, hiyo maji kiendea ukinyeshewa huwa inanuka, lakini yangu hata ukiweka maji hainuki, hata mvua ikikunyeshea iko sawa. Hii nywele ikiwa kwa kichwa inaweza kaa hata miezi 3. Yenye nimeweka saa hii ni hiyo, na nimetest kwa muda from saa hii ni miaka 2 saa hii. Nimekaa naitumia tu hiyo moja, sijachukua ingine mpya.
Her main tussle now is where to get the funds to expand her small-scale business into a braids churning factory. Kenyan women spend thousands of shillings on their hair, and that translates into hundreds of billions of shillings every year, which is what Assumpta wants a share of. She hopes her braided plate will give her an upsweep on the profit table in this already saturated market.
Tungetaka sana aiwakie ikuwe sawa na tumpromote.
Assumpta will have to persuade braid lovers to trust her product and crown her with profits that will hopefully build her domain from the Sisal braids to the bank. Ray Polo, KT News.